Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your computer appears to be correctly configured, but the device or resource is not responding. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties, click Driver tab. First step is Update Driver. If not working, second step is Rollback Driver. If not working, third step is Disable and Re-enable device. If not working, fourth step is Uninstall device. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Change DNS server addresses. Third method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Reset now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.